You're a student. You just saw a disturbing message pop up in a class group chat. It could be a threat, a harmful post, or a severe case of cyberbullying. You know something is wrong, but almost immediately a roadblock appears. You need to tell someone, but you aren't sure who is actually responsible for handling digital threats. Even if you do find someone to tell, you're left wondering what actually happens after you report it. Many schools rely on a single "Report Here" button to solve this. But for a student, a button on its own doesn't explain the process or guarantee that someone will listen. When the reporting process is invisible or unpredictable, students are far less likely to share their concerns. A button is only effective when it is backed by a transparent system. To fix this, schools must build a comprehensive reporting, response, and referral pathway. By the end of this session, you will have mapped out a customized 6-step safety flowchart specifically for your campus. Before we start, clear a whiteboard or open your mapping software. You'll need your staff directory and emergency contacts. Physically mapping these pathways ensures that every digital concern reaches the right person before it becomes a bigger problem. We begin with step 1, identify. This node represents everyone who acts as the eyes and ears of the school: students, teachers, parents, and school employees. A teacher might notice a sudden change in a student's behavior, or a parent might see a concerning post at home. These are the moments when a threat is first recognized. Next is step 2, report. On your map, list your school's officially approved channels, whether that's a guidance office, a specific administrator, or a digital reporting system. These reporting tools must be easy to find and regularly promoted to the entire school community. Clearly defining who looks for threats and where they should send them ensures that your intake funnel actually catches early warning signs. Every report leads to step 3, assess. At this stage, designate the specific trained personnel who will review the incoming information. This team determines the urgency of the situation and decides what kind of support or action is needed. Students should never be expected to investigate serious safety concerns on their own. A dedicated assessment checkpoint acts as a firewall, protecting the community while ensuring that every threat is evaluated by a professional. Once assessed, we reach step 4, respond. Branch your flowchart so threats are routed to specialized teams. Cyberbullying cases go to student support, cybersecurity to IT, welfare goes to child protection, and physical threats to emergency response. Relying on a single staff member to handle every type of digital incident often leads to delays and burnout. Routing reports to specialized teams ensures the school's response matches the specific nature of the incident. Step 5 is refer. On your map, document the internal or external networks that provide long-term care after the immediate incident is over. Both victims and offenders often need ongoing support to heal and change their digital behavior. The process concludes with step 6, follow-up. This glowing line shows the school returning to the original reporter to close the loop. Your protocol should specify how you will confirm that a report was received and acted upon. Avoid generic responses that leave the reporter wondering if anything happened. When people see that their concerns result in tangible action, they are more likely to trust the system and speak up in the future. You now have a complete 6-step pathway: identify, report, assess, respond, refer, and follow up. This unified workflow provides the clarity that a single button cannot. When a community understands exactly how to report and what happens next, the barrier to speaking up disappears. Take this drafted map, secure leadership approval, and publish it where every student, teacher, and parent can see it. Encourage your entire school community to stay vigilant. See something, report safely, and let the right people respond. By establishing these predictable pathways, a school builds a resilient environment that protects its community every day.